my God, he did. He took the whole thing apart. You little shit. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I needed that pen. This was a pen. It was a good pen. Until you got a hold of it.
Lena's trying to get up. He can't. What's wrong with him?
She's a slippery dog. Well, she's smooth. Oh, it still works. I don't know how he took this apart.
I thought you said Wingnut took it apart before.
Well, Wingnut destroyed my pen. He broke it into bits and pieces. This guy just took it apart. This is a good pen. And the one Wingnut took was a free chase pen. She just tore the crap. Here's a pumpkin seed. I'll give this to Quill. Here, Quill. 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 You just can't stop going after that ear. Here, Quill. Want that? Want that? Don't bite me. He's got a pumpkin seed in his mouth. He's gonna say, get away from my seed. Hey, you dinosaur. You dinosaur. Oh. Sounds like a dino. What about it, Blues? Huh? You're the best. She's still the queen of the house. And Mage is our cat. Mage. Oh my God. Take it easy, Blues. Take it easy. Blues is scared of this bird. Didn't see that coming.